Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing essentials so nothing stops you mid-process. First, pick an email you control or create one now. This becomes your Apple ID. Next, confirm your device region is set to Japan if you're on JV, since region controls store and verification rules. Make a secure password that meets Apple rules, at least 8 characters, an uppercase letter, a number, and a symbol. Once done, open Settings on iPhone or go to Apple.com to start creating your account. Now you'll work through the form fields with care because accuracy matters for recovery and purchases. Enter your full name and birth date as shown on ID, then type the email you prepared, checking for typos. Choose security questions you'll remember and add a recovery phone or email to avoid lockouts. Apple will send a 6-digit verification code to that email or phone. Enter it when prompted. Make sure two-factor authentication is enabled to protect the account and simplify future logins. Finish by adding an optional payment method or choose none if you prefer. Ensure the billing address matches the Japan region to avoid store errors. After creating the ID, sign in on your iPhone or Mac, then enable iCloud, App Store, and other services so data syncs across devices. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Check spam folders for the verification email, request a new code, or verify that your phone number is entered correctly. If issues persist, restart the device and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.